Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the tax rates in your Shopify store. Accurate tax rates are essential for compliance and customer satisfaction, thus improving your selling experience. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Shopify account admin. To do so, just log into your Shopify admin by going to your web browser and in the search bar type in shopify.com. Now after the website appears, click on login. Once you click on login, if you are already logged into your account, you will be automatically directed to your account. If you haven't, you'll be asked to enter your account credentials. Now in the case if you haven't created an account yet, you will be asked if you want to create an account, and you can do that in just a few simple steps. Now back to the admin my Shopify admin panel. Go to settings, and to do so, from the left sidebar, click on settings in the bottom left menu here next to the gear icon. The third step is to select taxes. Now select taxes here, search for taxes, or we'll search for it in the search bar. Click on taxes here. Now from the settings menu, you can manage your tax settings. Now under the tax region section, let's search for tax region here. Now adjust the tax rates. Under the tax regions section, you'll see the regions where you're charging taxes. Click on the region you want to edit and you can set the tax rate accordingly. You can choose any country you want to choose here. I'll choose for instance Australia. And you can add regional settings. You can add the GST collection. If you do business in Australian area, you may be required to collect GST on sales in Australia. You can add or collect in a new region. You can also tax rates and exemptions here in the shipping override. You can add an override. You can add product overrides here. Now click on the region you want to edit and you can set the tax rates accordingly. The fifth step is to review the tax settings. Make sure to review your tax settings to ensure they align with the current regulation in your selling regions. First, now to do that, you have to have a knowledge of the laws, taxes law in that region, in that specific region. And that's it. You've successfully changed the tax rate in your Shopify store. Keeping your tax rates up to date helps ensure compliance and customer trust. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment under the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.